Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to book cab in inDriver. So let's get into the video. So open up the app, and if you have an account, log in, or you can just create an account. It's pretty easy. You just need a phone number to create an account. So once you've created an account, so what you're going to do now, you'll see this screen here. So if you want to book a cab, all you have to do is simply type in your pickup location. So type in your whatever your pickup location is, so just type that in. Okay, and then your destination, so wherever you want to go, so just type that in as well. And then once you've mentioned all your addresses, so then what you're going to do is it's going to pop up the cashier. So here you're going to choose on which vehicle that you want to use. So for example, if I'm using an AC cab, so just select that, and then this will now list the estimated amount for it. And then if you have any other options or comments, you can just type that in here, or else you can do is just click on book ride. And what happens is this will now look for this will now just look for available drivers, and when someone picks up, then that's it. You just have to wait for the cab, and then you can, and when someone picks up, that's it. You just have to finish your ride, and at the end of your ride you can just pay them with cash. That's fine. Or if you don't want, if you want to change the payment method, simply click on it, and then what you can do, you can just change your payment method from cash to any other methods that you wish, but I'll just leave it as cash, and that's it. So at the end of the journey you can just pay them off, and that's it. So that's how you book a cab on inDrive. It's pretty easy and straightforward to use. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.